Shri Guru Charana Padmam Kevala Bhakati Sadmam Bandamoye Savadhana Mate Jaharam Prasadeng Vai E Bhavatoriyam Jaham Krishna Prapti Hoi Jaham Hoite Shri Guru Charane Rati Yese Uttamam Gati Jai Prasadeng Pure Sarva Asham Gurumukha Padma Vakyam Chittete Koriyakyam Aranam Kuriho Mani Asham Chakshudam Dilo Jai Janme Janme Prabhu Singh Divya Gyan Hriday Prakashito Prema Bhakti Jaha Hoite Avidya Vinasha Jate Ved Gaya Hara Charito Shri Guru Karuna Sindhu Adhama Janaravantu Lokana Lokera Jivana Haha Prabhu Koro Daya Deha More Pada Chaya E Vijash Kushutri Bhuvana Srila Prabhupada Patita Pavana Gurudev Hoilo Sharana Jaya Prabhupada Jaya Prabhupada Jaya Prabhupada Srila Prabhupada Jaya Guru Deva Jaya Guru Deva Jaya Guru Deva Jaya Guru Deva Srila Prabhupada on Jaladuta when he has to come to West, 2 heart attacks. Don't know if he's going to survive, if he's going to live. But what was Prabhupada thinking? What was Prabhupada relishing? He did not think, you have brought me here, I have nobody here, I have first heart attack and now the second one, it hurts me so much. Yeah, what's gonna happen to me now if I leave this body here? What will happen to me? It is hurting me. It's not about it is hurting me. It's not about it what's going to happen to me. It's all about my Gurudev give me instruction to go to West. Krishna, you brought me till here. And now you please make me dance as a puppet. Make me dance as a puppet. So much, it's all about Bhagavan, please allow me to do something for you that pleases you. This is the instruction of my spiritual master. And that's why I'm heading this way. So much absorbed in Guru and Krishna. Their relishment is all with Guru and Krishna. Every thought and emotion and relishment is about, Guru and Krishna. Nothing about their body, nothing about anything of them. It's all about Guru and Krishna. That's a transcendental relishment. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Vanchakalpatarubhyascha kripa sindhubhyeva cha patitana pavanebhyo vaishnavebhyo namo namaha. All the Vaishnavas are like desire-fulfilling trees. They are dear to Govinda. Bowing down to all the Vaishnavas and taking the dust from the lotus feet of the Vaishnavas, smearing on the head and dancing in joy. Vaishnavera padaduli tahe mora snana keli torpan mora वैष्णवेरनाम धनमोर नित्यानंद पतिमोर गौरचंद्र प्राणामोर युगल किशोर वृंदाय तुलसी देव्याय प्रियाय केशवस्य च कृष्ण भक्ति प्रदे देवी सत्यवते नमो नमः. Grooves of Vrindavan are present in Guru Krishna Samsara, not in the Maya Samsara, not in the world of mind, world of Maya. Gurus are present in the world of Guru and Krishna, where one sees only Krishna, 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 and Krishna, and has that great love for Krishna, 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 and Krishna. Tulasi Krishna Preyasi Namo Namah. Radha Krishna Seva Pavam Ei Abhilashi Eto Mara Sharanaloi Taravancha Purna Hoi Kripa Kori Koro Tare Vrindavan Vasi Moraye Abhilash Vilas Kunja Diovas Nayane Haribo Sadam Yugala Ruparasim Eini Vedana Tharo Sakiranugata Koro Sevadhi Karo Dio Koro Nichatasim Dina Krishna Dase Hoi Eyena Mora Hoi Shri Radha Govinda Premam Sadayena Basim Yani Kani Chapapani Brahmahatyadikani Cham Tani Tani Pranashyante Pradakshina Pade Pade.